Hi students, hope everyone is fine and safe. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to my new video, and today's video is about another interesting number system conversion. We're going to see how to convert any Radix system to any other Radix system. So far we have seen how to convert from one number system to the another number system, that is from binary to octal, octal to binary, something like that, right? Equivalent number system with proper base. Okay, and now we are going to see any radix to any other radix. It need not to be binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. It can be of any base. We got to convert to any other base. Okay, and this is very important number system conversion because it will be a little complex, that is more steps involved, and there are chances that this particular question, that is 2 or 3 problems of this, can be asked in 15 marks. Okay, so understand the logic correctly. Okay, so we will start with any radix to any other radix. So this is the rules for any radix to any other radix. Okay, and there is a thumb rule that you cannot directly convert any radix to any other radix. Directa ஒரு ரேடிக்ஸ்ல இருந்து இன்னொரு ரேடிக்ஸ் சம்பந்தமே இல்லாத பேஸ்க்கு உன்னால மாத்த முடியாது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணனும் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா you have to convert the number, the any radix என்ன நம்பர் கொடுத்திருந்தாலும் அத டெசிமலுக்கு மாத்தணும், right? Any particular base value that has to be converted to decimal first. Okay, and then from decimal you have to convert to the other base which is asked. For example, question la if the question is given like 7 of base 4 converted to the base of 9, இந்த மாதிரி question கேக்குறாங்க அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா you cannot directly convert 4 to 9. What you got to do is you got to convert this number to the decimal value. Okay, and then from decimal you got to convert to this particular base. Okay, and we have already seen how to convert any radix to decimal. Any radix to decimal தனியாவே வீடியோ போட்டுருக்கோம், right? Just go through that. Okay, அதுக்கு என்ன rules and regulation பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா we will multiply, we will expand and multiply, right? So that we can convert any radix to decimal. Okay, and similarly from decimal to any radix அதுவும் நம்ம வீடியோ போட்டுருக்கோம். Okay, so decimal to any radix you have 2 steps involved, that is for integer part you will use successive division and for fractional part you will use successive multiplication. Okay, so இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா மொத்தம் 3 ஸ்டெப்ஸ் இருக்கு, right? That is first stepல any radix decimal க்கு மாத்தணும், and then decimal ல இருந்து any radix க்கு மாத்தணும். Decimal ல இருந்து any radix பாக்கும்போது you will use successive division and successive multiplication. Okay, so understand the logic very correctly. Okay, so this is the first problem. You can see 432.345 got to convert to base 6. 5 base ல இருந்து 6 base க்கு மாத்தணும். Okay, and 5 base and 6 base மாத்தணும்னா first step என்ன பண்ணனும் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா any radix to decimal க்கு நான் மாத்தணும். சரியா? Already we know that how to write these powers, right? This is for integer part it starts with 0 1 2 இந்த மாதிரி increase பண்ணிட்டே போணும், and for fractional part is -1 -2, right? Like this it goes on from MSB ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணனும், ரைட்டா? So we have already seen this, so we'll substitute values 4 into 5 to the power of -2 and 3 into -1 and 2 into 5 to the power of 0 and 3 into 5 to the power of 1 and 4 into 5 to the power of 2, and we already know these values, right? How to calculate, right? If you're not aware of this, please go through the previous videos we have seen. Okay, so we have to substitute these values, and if you add it as 117.76. okay, so இதுல என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா any radix to decimal க்கு மாத்திருக்கோம், right? Any radix to decimal மாத்திருக்கோம், பட் क्वेश्चन என்ன 5 ல இருந்து 6 க்கு மாத்திருக்கோம். 6 க்கு மாத்த சொல்றாங்க, ரைட்டா? இப்போ என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்னா 5 ல இருந்து நம்ம 5 base ல இருந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் அப்படினா 10 base க்கு மாத்திருக்கோம், right? And you have to write it exactly here, right? 5 base ல இருந்து நான் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன் 10 base க்கு மாத்திருக்கேன், right? Now from decimal I got to convert to 6 radix. Okay, so how will I do that? As I said before, you have 2 steps involved. One is successive division method, another one is successive multiplication method. Okay, so if you take this question 117.76, இதுல 117 ன்றது integer part, so I am taking this as integer part, right? And we have already explained the rules and regulation how to convert decimal to any radix. Okay, இங்க என்ன radix கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அந்த radix ஆல divide பண்ணனும், right? Integer part, right? இங்க என்ன radix கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அந்த அதால multiply பண்ணனும் fractional part, right? So given is 6, so what I am doing is I am dividing 117 using 6. Okay, so what I'll get 1 and then 9, the remaining is 3, and 6 3s are 18 and remaining is 1. Okay, so this is integer part 3136. Okay, base 6. Okay, and now multiplication, right? You can see here there is 2 decimal points, right? That is 2 digits after decimal point, so we can find it out to 3. Okay, so it's 0.76 into 6, so we'll get this particular value 4.56. so 4 is the remaining, and 0.56 alone I'm taking here and multiplying with 6, it's 3.36, so I'm leaving 3 alone here, and 0.36 again multiplied by 6, it is 2.16, right? If you don't understand the successive multiplication, please look at decimal to any Radix video so that you can understand. Okay, so now we have to write from top to bottom. Inga enna pannirpom bottom to top, right? So top to bottom la 0.432, because this is fractional part, so we are starting with 0.432, right? So integer part is 313, fractional part is 0.432. So அப்ப ரெண்டுத்தையும் combine பண்ணி எழுதலாம், right? That is the question, right? 432.34. இது என்ன பண்ணனும் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா டெசிமலுக்கு மாத்த, that is base 6 க்கு மாத்த சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So அதோட decimal value கண்டுபிடிச்சோம், and then now அதோட equivalent 6 digit value வந்து 313.432 அதோட base. Okay, right? Hope you understand. So what we have done is we have converted any Radix to decimal and then decimal to the given base. Okay, and decimal to any given base க்கு என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா successive division method and successive multiplication method. Okay, and we will look at the another problem, the same steps. You can see the given 4 base and here the 7 base. So for the 4 base has to be converted to decimal. For that what I have to do, I have to multiply, expand this number using this particular base. So every expand பண்றேன் 0 1 2 and this is minus 1 and minus 2, right? So 3 into 4 to the power of minus 2 and again 0 into 4 to the power of minus 1, 3 into 4 to the power of 0, 4 to the power of 1 and 4 to the power of square. Okay, and if you substitute the values you will get 39.187, right? So this is the decimal number. Now idhula irundhu enna pananum appdinu pathina successive division and successive multiplication, because we need to convert this decimal to any Radix. Okay, so appo 39 enna pananum, edala divide pananumna 7 ala divide pananum, right? And dot 187 edala multiply pananum, 7 ala multiply pananum, right? That is what we have seen here, right? So you can see here it is 39, 7 ala divide பண்றேன், that is 535, so remaining is 4. So direct எழுதலாம் 54, that is 7. integer part வந்து 39 க்கு decimal ல 7 part க்கு வந்து 54, right? And then successive multiplication we are taking 0.187 into 7, so we are getting 1.309. we are leaving this 1 and we are bringing 309, multiplying by 7 2.163, right? Leaving this 2 as a remainder and 0.163 into 7 1.141 and we are leaving this 1. Okay, so inga pathinga appadina you can go for another value as well. Okay, இன்னொரு value நீ போலாம், and if you want you can stop at 3 itself. Okay, and you can see you have to write from top to bottom, right? Top to bottom la 121 0.121, right? So அப்ப அதோட value என்ன ஆன்சர் எழுதும்போது 54.121 the base of 7, right? You can see here the given number base 4, right? That is equivalent decimal value 39.187 and அதோடைய 7 base வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 121. Okay, this is how you have to solve any Radix to any Radix. Okay, so இந்த conversions எல்லாத்துலயுமே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப important conversion இது, ஏன்னா நிறைய steps involve ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, and as you understand one particular thing, any Radix to any Radix you cannot directly convert. First step is you need to convert to decimal, and that decimal has to be converted to the any Radix, right? And for that you are going for integer and fractional part, right? Integer part enna pannuvom, successive division method, and fractional part successive multiplication method. Okay, and if you want more explanation in this, decimal to any Radix and any Radix to decimal தனியா வீடியோ போட்டுருக்கோம், அத பாருங்க, so that you can understand very clearly each and rules and regulation. Okay, hope you understand this logic, right? Thank you students.
Thank you students, thank you for watching. கண்டிப்பா இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் நம்புறேன். Subscribe Passionate Professor and keep learning. Thank you very much.